doesn't get any better than this.
Yes.
It's a snowy morning, lots of furniture that need to go upstairs. We don't have stairs yet, but we're doing our best.
We're not stressed at all, right?
At all. No, we just have to get this ready for Friday.
We're stressed. We're big stressed.
So cool.
I could never do that job. You see how bouncy it was? So this is what we're still dealing with.
Maybe too far.
This back?
Yeah.
Too much.
Yeah.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
More.
I'll do it.
There you
That's
go.
big enough.
So this light is super interesting. It comes with the kit to be either a pendant or a sconce. So at first we got it, we're like, oh no, we got the wrong light, it's a pendant. And then I looked at it and it's like, you could do either.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. So we wanted this tub deck to be the pink tile. And we love the look of it. It was like, it's gotta be pink, it's got a, you know, waterfall from the walls. But the issue is this exposed edge is super thick and you can't put a tile there. So what we did is we just picked a white slab that matches the tub and we'll just do like a little frame out of it. So it looks like it's part of the tub. This is the sectional, and it has some pretty,
She gorgeous.
so pretty.
Oh my gosh, I love it so much.
Oh yeah, you haven't been up here yet.
What
Sectional
do you call it?
time.
Trim piping. What is it?
Oh,
Contrast.
the welt, yeah.
The pink welt is so cute.
It's
oh
so
my god.
cute, huh?
I love it. The red and pink is so cute.
I know. I was so pumped because when I said pink,
Ready for this?
she was like pink at the same time, the client, and I was like, it's meant to be.
Yeah, so we have 4 different corners. So
Okay,
1, 2, 3,
4 different sized corners?
No, same size.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we should put that first.
Yeah, these two first, and then let's do the two
then
between and
Fit everything in.
hope it fits.
Is it gonna fit?
We have 1 inch. 1 inch. Like wiggle room. 1 inch of faith.
They told me they measured it 100 times.
100 times.
Literally 100 times. If
100
it doesn't,
different drawings.
Andrea told me last week that she like woke up in the middle of the night over this sectional.
yeah, I literally almost like drove up here on a weekend because I was like, maybe I should measure again. I just feel so scared about it.
I told you! I told you!
This is the scariest puzzle I've ever done.
So cool.
So cool.
So rad. My family
Coming in.
7 fights over the one corner. Constantly.
Yeah? Okay, okay.
Michael!
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
You're fired if it doesn't.
Oh no! Get it! Get it! You gotta want it!
Doesn't look the best, Rebecca.
Yeah, my ankle.
I got that on video. That's great.
Yeah.
There we go.
Perfect.
I'm so happy. I can sleep tonight and for the rest of the break.
No one.
I love these green chairs.
They're not green!
How are we feeling this morning?
I've slept so much better knowing that sofa fit. I feel like I can conquer anything at this point now.
What do you think we're gonna get accomplished today?
Hopefully get all the beds put together, like all the big furniture placed. Just make a big dent today, hopefully.
first time on YouTube that we say that you just had your babies.
I just had babies. Well, I didn't have, my beautiful wife had babies. We have 2 little twin girls. We have 2 girls now, so I have 4 girls at home. Well, twins are in the NICU. They're doing well. We're working on it. We will have 4 girls at home. 3 and under, so it's chaos. So I've like never seen a project like this ever, but then also definitely like in Utah.
Right?
Like so cool.
These are little floor cushions to go in that loft. Cute.
So cute.
Oh, look, what's inside this box? Inside this box is a box. Cool.
Whoa, I love that.
That is so pretty.
Time to bring dishes upstairs.
There's like 10 million dishes. This is gonna take me forever.
And they're all scattered. The pink cups are all the way back there.
There's more right there too. Oh my gosh.
Insert plate filling montage. Good.
I know.
I thought this was gonna be like a full, like this deep of a box. They're wrapped individually.
They're tiny. I think it's, yeah, everything is a 5-piece set, but there's 40 of them.
I'm gonna need to sit on the floor for this. I can't be still.
Aren't these cute?
So cute.
How retro, how fun.
These remind me of being a kid. We had some like this.
How'd you get the best job?
I ordered it, that's why I have to be in charge of it. Take a sticker off of every single glass.
So fun. At least these ones
Yeah,
have the printed.
Thank goodness. And at least the worst is when a vendor sends them with paper stickers.
Oh, I hate those.
Like right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab a soap bottle to make sure.
Okay.
I wonder, and it feels like it's gotta go over here. Maybe it's gotta go below the light switch. One hook goes on the cabinet.
I'll grab
You
some bits. Just center. So 5'1".
You already know what that is? Yep. See, I knew you're good at this.
Get some bits.
Thank you. So nice. I don't think, I gotta ask Hannah, I don't think she bought one for that space.
But mixing metals is cool.
It is cool sometimes.
Yeah, when do you make that distinction?
When my brain says it's cool, then I know it's cool.
Okay.
No, I think most of the time it's cool, but in this case, like the entire bathroom is gold. So to have one thing that's not, especially so tiny, it feels like
Cheap.
it's out of place and it's cheap. If it was just like the mirror was different than everything else, that'd be fine because it's one big piece.
Gotcha. That actually makes a lot of sense. What did we accomplish today? Beds?
Lots of beds,
Some accessories.
accessories, at least placement. We washed a lot of dishes. 4th level's pretty much there. We know what we're missing.
We've got a punch list about this long on Monday right now.
Yeah.
See you in day 3. Morning.
Good morning.
How's it going today?
It's going. It's a good day. It's a cold day,
It is.
but we're still getting a lot done. There's still a lot to be done, but lots of people here getting things done, so I'm hopeful.
Goals of what to accomplish today? Anything and everything?
As much as we can so tomorrow's not so crazy. So I want this centered between this and that door, not on the whole wall.
Okay. Is there like a couch?
Nothing is going there.
Okay.
There'll be a ping pong table here, but nothing goes in front of that.
Move it.
I like it.
You like it like it is?
Yeah, I think it looks great.
Which you want as the top and which you want as the
I
bottom?
like how it is right now. See, I knew I could have other people hang this, but I was like, they're not gonna do this, and it's not gonna be as good. I have to get you guys. Just keep finding more red pillows.
They're everywhere.
Red pillows galore. Look, this pillow should go in here.
It should.
Matches perfectly.
It's perfect.
Do you need a fur pillow in your steam shower?
I do.
Oh, this couch is so soft. Who doesn't want to lay on that?
So soft. And it has a dust ruffle. When's the last time you saw a dust ruffle on a couch?
I always want people to let me do it.
Yeah.
They like get scared of it. Can this go
Yes,
over
ma'am.
there somewhere?
Absolutely.
And I think put that on the end.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. A little more, a little more, a little more. Yep.
Too many fingers in the pot.
Done.
15 to get started.
Hey, it fits the vibe.
Oh, cute.
I know, but
Adorable.
So cute.
Who doesn't want that for their Tupperware? One box unpacked, 25,000 to go.
Oh, and these are little oven mitts.
How cute are those oven mitts?
Those are so cute.
Move it over here so we can move it over here, and then we can move it over here, and then we can put it away.
Looks easy.
Right, Laura, this is not easy. Like, my fingers are hurting from doing that side. Is the zipper on the bottom?
I think so.
Then you're good.
Can I tell you something that Mesa was doing to prank you earlier?
What?
On those chairs in the, like, talking pit where the fireplace is, they kept flipping those pillows,
I swear
and you
I did
flipped
that
them like
1,000
100
times.
times.
I kept thinking, I swear I got all of these. If I was home alone, that makes sense. I literally was like, okay, I swear I've done this more than 4 times and there's only 4 chairs.
What's up, gang?
everybody.
How we feeling? Final day.
Peeping the wallpaper, man. It's sick.
It's cool, right?
Look at this wallpaper. Yeah. I don't really know if this has been done before in Utah. Like this style, this vibe, this caliber. Like it's freaking sweet.
This is how dedicated I am. Don't zoom.
What happened? Do you want to say what happened?
Skin cancer happened.
And she's still
And
here.
I'm still here, you guys.
I don't like watching it. It gives me anxiety.
Smart. Laura was saying they purposely did the sink here so that you don't see dirty dishes. It's hidden out of the way.
That is a good idea.
Claire matched the sofa today.
Yes, I do. So,
Here's the match.
What are you doing?
just thinking.
Interesting.
I have to visualize the accessories in my head because if I walk around, I'll be walking forever. So I have to think about each place and think where I want to put things so I'm not just wasting my energy.
That's right.
Yeah, okay. So there's one of Alta and one of Snowbird. This is Snowbird.
That's super cool. Super cool idea.
Can you hold the other one up? That's kind of cute, actually.
Mix
Mix
it?
matched. Yeah, I think she'll like that. And it ties back with the candles. Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
So cute.
Pretty sure they called this solitaire. I mean, I believe you.
What were
What
they
is this
calling
called?
it?
What is this called? No, they call it a solitaire game set. See, here it is. Here it is. Solitaire game set.
If you go that way a little bit, it would center with that pane in the window.
Because this, maybe
This
we
is
should.
going this way, right?
Yeah, it needs to go this
So
way.
then maybe it will need to go that way.
Okay.
Down.
Teeny tiny pillow.
It's so small.
I didn't even order it.
Those look great.
So we need to move this.
Don't mess it up, you got the camera on you, dude. I'm very pressed about it.
My name is Garth Franklin. I run Franklin Woodworking, custom furniture and woodworking business, and I built this room divider. So it's all solid wood that was steam bent and bent laminated. So all of these curves are composed of 6 different pieces of wood that were bent into form. And I made 54 bends, and then together it all assembled to this whole wall divider.
So cool.
Yeah.
It turned out really good.
Yeah.
I want the records
I know.
stacked in there. I think it's good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's fun. It's been the funnest install. Funnest furniture I've ever done. Install, rough but fun.
Totally. We had a good squad.
Yeah, we did it.